Covering Wisconsin weather for 19 years, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
All right, Cameron here with us now. An interesting mix possibly heading our way, sir.
Yeah, we have a storm that'll moving across Wisconsin later on tonight through tomorrow, and it's going to bring all types of precipitation to the Badger State. Let's take a look at your temperature trend. First of all, before we get to the precipitation part of the forecast, you can see that it's going to remain below normal the next several days, but much warmer than what we saw yesterday when highs were barely above 20. We can expect temps to be close to 40 tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday, and then close to 60 on Sunday before some colder weather returns once again as we head into early next week. Well, today it is a whole lot warmer than what we saw yesterday. Having said that, it's still chilly out there. 27 degrees in Sturgeon Bay. We've got 28 in Manitowoc. It's 34 in Oshkosh, and we're looking at 36 degrees in Wapaka. Right now in Appleton, we have some sunshine and clouds mixing together. It is 32 degrees with a gusty south wind. In Green Bay, it is mostly cloudy and 31 with south winds at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Those southerly winds really warming things up today. This is the 24-hour temperature change graphic, and it shows just a huge warm up. Many spots running 10, 15, 20, almost 40 degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday at this time. 60s and 70s across the central and southern plains. In our neck of the woods, that warm up translates to temperatures that are mainly in the 20s and 30s. Lots of sunshine this morning, giving way to plenty of clouds during the afternoon. These clouds developing ahead of our next weather maker. We actually have two areas of low pressure pulling out of the Rockies. They will consolidate later on tonight into tomorrow as they make their way towards Wisconsin. Not a whole lot going on right now, but you can see the moisture starting to come in from the Gulf of Mexico here across eastern Kansas. A few showers also breaking out across western Nebraska. This storm is really going to come together later on this evening, tonight, and into tomorrow. And the storm track takes it basically to our west, right across central Wisconsin. So initially with some cold air in place, we're going to see a mixed bag. That'll go over to mainly rain tomorrow and then back to a little bit of snow or a mixture of snow, sleet, and rain tomorrow night into Friday morning. We do have a winter weather advisory here for areas north of Green Bay for later on tonight into tomorrow. As you take a look at precision cast, you can see an area of snow breaking out across northeast Wisconsin later on this evening into tonight. That then mixes over to primarily rain from about Green Bay south for much of the day. North of Green Bay, kind of a mixture, rain, sleet, freezing rain, and some snow. And then once again, everything goes back over to snow later on tomorrow night into Friday morning. The highest snow totals will be north of Green Bay from northern Oconto County into northern Door County. 2 to 4 inches is possible. Elsewhere, a dusting to maybe a couple of inches. Some computer models are trying to generate some accumulating snow in this area later on tonight. Maybe 1, 2, 3 inches. We'll have to wait and see if that materializes as we head deeper into the evening. The main threat is going to be the rain, and with that much rain, there could be some localized flooding with all the snow still out there. So tonight, cloudy and windy, wintry mix will be developing. Upper 20s for lows. Tomorrow, wet and windy. Look for a high temperature right around 40. Sun and clouds on Friday. The same goes for Saturday. Windy and much warmer on Sunday. Temperatures getting into the upper 50s. Monday still looks quite interesting. The computer models are all over the place with what's going to happen. Highs could range from the 30s north to the 60s south. Right now, I'm going to say 45 degrees with a chance for rain, possibly going over to some snow. Another storm moves in for Wednesday and Thursday. Once again, that one bears watching with a mixture of rain and snow. After that, temperatures getting closer to normal with highs in the 40s. So the weather's going to be very active the next 7 to 10 days.
I guess. All right. Well, with that kind of a forecast, I'll tell you what, folks, we are looking for any sign of spring out there, and we got a couple of them tonight.
That's right. We're getting some great pictures.